Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you PS5 Slim Spiderman 2 edition. So let's begin. Welcome back. My name is Nikhilesh and I got this on a Black Friday sale. So it was really very discounted price. We'll see the difference between PS5 Slim and PS5. First, it is lighter and smaller, whereas PS5 is bulky and hard to carry. So it's time for unboxing PS5 Slim. Let's begin. This PS5 Slim is, according to me, is one of the best hardware because if you compare to the previous version, it was bulky, but now this is so smooth. You can see on the first, upper portion, it is very smooth. On the lower portion, it is very rigid. So that's the difference between two surfaces. So that was it in this video. So if you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and please subscribe to this channel and comment me your suggestion about the video. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye and happy gaming.